In today's video, I'll show you how you'd be able to denoise grainy video in Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Premiere Pro, and from here, we have our video right here, which is quite grainy. You could already see it right here on this frame, and when I play it, as you can see, we have some grain. So we would need to smoothen that out. So what we'd need to do is that you simply need to go here into the Effects tab. So if you don't have this, make sure that you check it here in the Windows section, click on Effects. And in here is that you would want to go for VR Denoise, which is this one right here under Video Effects. Drag it into your clip. Now, you want to go here into the effect controls. And from here is that you can customize the noise level reduction of this effect. Because as you can see right here, it is by default at 0.20 value. And you'd be able to see that our video is now much smoother compared to before. It's still quite choppy because we haven't rendered it yet, but yeah, you just need to go for the noise and see if you're satisfied with it. But if you think that it's too smooth, then you can reduce the noise level. So for example, I'm gonna go for 0.015 right here, and then you'd be able to see that it's now less smoother and with some of the noise back, if that's what you want. And I think I actually prefer this more. So yeah, you could just lower it if you'd want to. And then once you're done, you can now render it if it's marked as red so that it will be smooth for playback by pressing enter, or making an in and out point by using the I key at the beginning and O key at the end and press enter. And then you'd be able to render it and it will now have a smoother playback, and then you'd be able to see that your video is now much smoother. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.